In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit and customize pages in Confluence. We'll walk through a few simple but powerful ways to make your pages more visual and easier to understand, using tables, charts, images, files, and even emojis. I'll guide you step by step so you can follow along in your own Confluence space. Start by opening the Confluence page you want to work on and switch it into edit mode. Once you're there, click into the body of the page where you want to add content. To quickly insert a table or other elements, type a /. This brings up the / command menu, which is one of the easiest ways to access different formatting tools and macros. From that menu, start typing table, then select the table option. This will instantly insert a table right where your cursor is. After you insert the table, you can customize it by adding or removing rows and columns, adjusting the width, and typing in your data. Tables are great for comparing information, listing tasks, or organizing structured content so it's easier to scan. If you want to go beyond basic tables and add a chart, look for the 3 dots or more options icon in the editor toolbar. Clicking this opens additional features and macros. From there, choose the option to insert a chart. Charts are useful when you want to visualize data from a table or present trends in a more engaging way. Once added, you can configure the chart type, data source, and appearance depending on what your Confluence setup supports. Next, let's make your page more visual by adding images and other files. In the editor toolbar, look for the option that allows you to insert files and images, then click on Upload. Choose the image or file from your computer, and Confluence will attach and insert it directly into the page. You can drag the image to reposition it and use the handles on the sides to resize it for better layout and readability. You can also use the image icon in the toolbar to quickly insert an image that's already been uploaded or stored in your space. This helps keep your content consistent if you reuse common diagrams, logos, or screenshots. Finally, if you'd like to add a bit of personality or visual emphasis, click the emoji icon in the toolbar. Select an emoji to insert it into your text. Emojis can be helpful for marking status, drawing attention to key notes, or simply making your page feel more friendly and approachable. Once you're happy with your changes, remember to save or publish the page so your updates are visible to your team.